So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in settings. Now you want to click on app settings. And now once you run this, you want to scroll down and then click on reset and then click on reset again. This will now reset your settings. If your settings is still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. Now once you run this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Once that's been done, now you want to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. Once you complete both those scans, just restart your computer and then hopefully this will fix your problem.